Have you ever wondered why people in pharma and biopharma talk about cleaning so much? I mean, it's not just about keeping things tidy, it's about something way bigger, the safety of every single patient who depends on our products. From sterile injectables to complex biologics, safety always starts in one place: cleanliness. So, let's talk about why cleaning isn't just a routine task. In our world, it is the heart of everything we do. First, what does cleaning really mean in pharma? It's about removing every last trace of previous products, cleaning agents, and even microorganisms from our equipment, pipelines, and facilities. And in biopharma, it gets even trickier, because even the tiniest contamination can change a protein, reduce potency, or trigger an immune reaction in a patient. That's why cleaning here is never just a one-off. It's always controlled, validated, and carefully monitored. Every single time. Now, why is cleaning so critical? Let's break it down. Number 1, it prevents cross-contamination. Imagine if residues from a previous batch sneak into the next one. That's a big risk for patients. Number 2, cleaning ensures our products are pure and safe. Number 3, it protects the integrity and longevity of our precious equipment. And finally, it's the law. Good manufacturing practice, or GMP, means every step of cleaning must be documented and validated. If you don't prove it, it didn't happen. But how do I know cleaning is actually working? That's where cleaning validation comes in. Validation is our scientific proof. It's not about equipment just looking clean. It's about proving, with data, that residues are truly removed. This means sampling, running analytical tests, setting acceptance limits, and coming back to check it all over again, regularly. So, how do we actually do all this cleaning? There's manual cleaning. Think brushes, detergents, elbow grease, and plenty of water. There's CIP, or clean in place, automated systems that clean equipment without ever taking it apart. And then there's SIP, or sterilize in place, using steam to kill any remaining microbes. Each method has its place. Together, they mean the equipment is always ready for the next batch, safe, sterile, and compliant. But let's not forget what the regulators expect. Agencies like the FDA, EMA, and WHO want to see clear, detailed cleaning procedures built on solid GMP principles. That means standard operating procedures, risk assessments, acceptance limits, and thorough validation. And of course, documentation is everything. If it isn't written down, as far as the regulators are concerned, it never happened. Here's the bigger picture. Cleaning isn't just a chore. It's about trust. Every dose that reaches a patient is a reflection of my commitment, and yours, to cleanliness, precision, and quality. A clean facility means a safe product, and a safe product means a healthier world. So, next time you see a cleaning crew, don't just think housekeeping. Remember, this is a core process that saves lives. Stay clean, stay compliant, and always keep quality first.